Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a LEGO Renfield, aka Nicolas Cage. Firstly, you're going to want the legs and the arms from this Kylo Ren. I took my waist cape from Rex, but you can also take it from an ARC Trooper. The torso I used came from this Knight of Ren. You'll need some peach coloured hands. I took the cape from Batman. The hood piece comes from Wild Style. The head comes from this little Joker. And finally, the hair comes from this Resistance Officer. Feel free to pause here if you need a moment to build your minifigure, but hopefully this is what it should look like. Overall, I'm relatively happy with how this minifigure turned out. I was going to include this other look as well, but decided it didn't look as good. If you do want to make this version, you're going to want the LEGO Batman movie Batman in his dressing gown, as well as Moff Gideon's cape. If you enjoyed this video, I'd recommend you give it a like and maybe subscribe to the channel. We're nearly at 1,000, so I'd like to thank everyone now for sticking around.